Hey, you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and we're doing Module 5, Lesson 19 of Engage New York. We're going to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions. We're going to review our words, our vocabulary words that we use throughout this lesson. We have a whole number, which is a number. We have a fraction, which used to describe one or more parts of a whole that are divided into equal parts. We have a numerator, that's the top number, and that describes how many pieces of the whole we have. We have the denominator, which is the bottom number of the fraction that describes how many pieces make the whole. We have a mixed number, and that's a whole number with a fraction. And then we have the improper fraction, which is a fraction that the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here are some steps we need to look at. We need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. In order to do that, you do denominator times whole number plus numerator. This equals your improper fraction. Once you do that, you add or subtract the numerators together. Don't add or subtract the denominators because that'll change the whole. Simplify if needed. So we're looking for simplest form or we're looking for a mixed number. So let's go look at an example. Mr. Gonzalez combined 4/8 gallons of lemonade, 3/8 gallons of cranberry juice, and 6/8 gallons of soda water to make punch for a party. How many gallons of punch did he make in all? So I created you a mathematical sentence right here that you can fill in. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4/8 in my first fraction. And then there's a next question mark. It's asking you for adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. And right here, we are adding. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 3/8 because that's how many cranberry juice he used. And then again, we are adding. And then we're going to add in our 6/8. So if you look, all our denominators are 8. So we're going to quick. I have no mixed numbers right here. So step 1, I don't have to worry about. So I'm just going to delete my space because I don't need it. So now we'll go to step 2 and add up my numerators. We have 4 plus 3 plus 6, which equals, so 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 6 is 13. So I have that 13. And I'm going to put it over my denominator, which is 8. And now I see that 13 is bigger than 8. So I know I can pull out one whole, which is 8/8. And I'm going to add some fraction to help me out. So 13 minus 8, or how many pieces left do I have? Remember, this is like having 2 pizzas. And both pizzas are cut in 8s. And me and my friends did really good. We ate 13/8 of this. So I need to find out how much pizza I ate. We know we ate one whole. How many of the second pizza did we eat? So you count from 8 up to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it looks like it's 5. So it'd be 5/8. Now we will write our mixed number. Once you get that little one, hit the backspace and it'll become big again. So I have 1 and 5/8. So that is our answer. And I'm just writing our answers in where we're used to doing it. Making sure we have all our little boxes checked. So let's go look at one more problem. Destiny had 2 pans of cornbread. She served 1 1/4 pans. What fraction of the pan was left? So right here, I'm going to write 2. And because we're trying to figure out what's left, it's telling us we're subtracting. And we're subtracting 1 1/4. So now that I got that, we're going to end up doing step 1 because I have this 1 1/4, you guys. But right now, I'm going to do this 2/2, the 2. Which is I take the denominator and multiply it by 2 and put it over the denominator. So we've discussed this to help you out. So let's get back to converting our mixed number. So I'm going to take the 4 I'm going to multiply it by 1. And then I'm going to add 1, which gives me 5. And I put that 5 over my 4. So now I have 8/4 minus 5/4. Okay, so I'm going to take my numerators, 8 minus 5, which gives us 3. Good job. And then I'm going to put the 3 over my denominator, which is 4. And do I need to simplify 3/4? No, great job, you guys. 3/4 is in its simplest form. So I'll write my 3/4 here for you guys. Oh, I deleted it somehow. It happens. And we are done. Now, please remember, while you're doing this, take your time. Read the problem. Make sure you understand it. And as you're doing it, have fun and smile, giggle, and wiggle. Talk to you later. Bye.